Hello and welcome to the Delta Learns Richardson Library blog. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the Destiny catalog to locate things from the Media Library or the Richardson Library. So if you click here on the Destiny catalog, it takes you to the Richardson Library website. If you go over here to log in, you're going to need your employee number where it says username, and then you're going to repeat your employee number where it says password. So mine is different just for library purposes, but you'd use your employee number here and employee number again to log in. And your dashboard will look a little bit different, but all you need to do is go and click onto catalog. And down here it's important that if you want something from the Delta Media Library, you remove where it says Richardson. So you click it off and you just ensure that here it says Delta Media Library, material type, if you want a kit or a book or otherwise, but usually people are looking for kits. And if you are looking for something on space, so we'll type in space and see what comes up. Press enter. And this is what's available to everyone who searches in the Delta School District. So Story Workshop Kit. We have, let's see, Indigenous Space Kit. So if we click on here, yes, it says 01 available, but if we click on it, it will give us the details of what is available in it. So hands-on activity, collection of books and stories with Indigenous focus, all relating to stars, sun, and moon. So you can see those details. Then you can click on, below also it has the contents of what is in there, including the titles of the books that you have in there as well. If you click on here on Book It, even though it says there's none available, you can look ahead to the availability. So if you're going into November, it's not available until December, so if you were looking for something for the start of January, you should usually click on the first Friday that's available because that's when the mail drop-off is, and then it books it for you for 21 days. So you click on it, and then over here you can see it inputs the dates for you, and if you just click on save, then it would book, and you would get an email back to let you know if it was available. Okay, if you have any questions about this or you need help with it, please let me know. All right, thanks.